Thank you.
What are you listening to?
Drake.
What song is that?
Nazi.
Practice. It came out yesterday.
Yes.
We're in class.
We are in class. Look, there's the teacher.
Fucking camera out my face, nigga.
We're getting into wrestle here. That's gonna be good for the video.
You're actually gonna put this up?
Yeah.
Dude, nobody gonna watch this.
What?
You're not putting this on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I am.
It was serious.
I got it on video.
I'm so believing that.
Look at these long ass arms.
I got it on video.
She called you. Look at this. She called you. Hey, man, you better get this small miniature Napoleon Bonaparte girl right here.
Oh no, I'm a diehard fan.
Who?
Fight, fight, fight.
Oh, she's done. I win. I win, you guys.
Hey,
First one.
Sparta.
camera boy. Can you help me?
I can.
Come here.
Sure.
We need help, please.